the Prime Minister was in Gorakhpur in eastern Uttar Pradesh today, where he again blasted the opposition, this time drawing direct aim at the BJP's main political rival, targeting the trademark red caps or lal topis of the Samajwadi Party. Comments that drew a cheer from the large audience, many of them kitted out in BJP colors.
लाल टोपी वाले यूपी के लिए रेड अलर्ट है, रेड अलर्ट, यानी खतरे की घंटी है.
Now in itself all of this would be fine if this was a BJP rally, but it's not. It was actually a government event, the reopening of a fertilizer factory in the eastern UP town of Gorakhpur that was defunct for 30 years, and also the opening of a fully functioning AIIMS. But the speeches from both the Prime Minister and Chief Minister Adityanath were out and out political.
पूरा यूपी भली भांति जानता है कि लाल टोपी वालों को लाल बत्ती से मतलब रहा है. ये लाल टोपी वालों को सत्ता चाहिए, घोटालों के लिए, अपनी तिजोरी भरने के लिए, अवैध कब्जों के लिए. आज का ये कार्यक्रम पूर्वी उत्तर प्रदेश की उस सपने को साकार करने जैसा है जो विपक्ष के लिए असंभव हो गया था.
Now in theory there is nothing in the rule book that bars the Prime Minister from using government events to make political comments. Neither has the Election Commission's Model Code of Conduct kicked in, giving it jurisdiction over the government's actions. But as many have pointed out, there's an unwritten Lakshman Rekha to insulate government activity from outright politicking. A Lakshman Rekha that the Prime Minister has crossed again and again since he became Prime Minister. Just consider the past 3 weeks in which he's made 5 visits to Uttar Pradesh, all for government events. In almost all the cases, the Prime Minister's speeches were direct political attacks in front of large rally-like crowds. On November 16, the Prime Minister was in Sultanpur to inaugurate the Purvanchal Eastern Expressway, where before large crowds, he said this.
मैंने बहुत सारे प्रयास यूपी के लिए शुरू करवाए, तब यूपी में जो सरकार थी उसने मेरा साथ नहीं दिया. इतना ही नहीं, सार्वजनिक रूप से मेरे बगल में खड़े रहने में भी उनको पता नहीं वोट बैंक नाराज होने का डर लगता था.
As my colleague Alok Pandey had reported, thousands of government buses had been requisitioned to bring in crowds for this government event. 3 days later, on November 19th, Mr. Modi went to Bundelkhand in southern UP for an inauguration spree. He again, from a government platform, targeted previous governments.
पहले की सरकार चलाने वालों ने अपने परिवार का भला किया. आपका परिवार बूंद बूंद के लिए तरसता रहे, इससे उनको कोई सरोकार नहीं रहा.
He was also in Jewar in western UP on November 25th to lay the foundation stone of the Noida International Greenfield Airport, a government event again, where he said this.
आजादी के इतने सालों तक तो उत्तर प्रदेश को ताने सुनने के लिए मजबूर कर दिया गया था. कभी गरीबी के ताने, कभी जात पात की राजनीति के ताने, कभी हजारों करोड़ रुपयों के घोटालों के ताने.
At the same government events, Chief Minister Adityanath even went on to make a communally charged comment, asking the crowds whether they wanted jinnah or ganna, sugarcane.
आज ये देश के अंदर एक नया द्वंद्व बना है. ये देश गन्ने की मिठास को एक नई उड़ान देगा या जिन्ना के अनुयायियों से फिर दंगा करवाने की शरारत करवाएगा.
Now, this by the Prime Minister is an escalation of an earlier practice where in the run-up to the 2019 elections, he went on a massive travel blitz, making 28 trips in a single month to inaugurate a whopping 157 projects. On at least 5 of those trips, we had counted, he also held political rallies near the same venue, ensuring that at least some of the cost of his trips are covered with public expenses, while also making political statements at those government events. Let's listen.
आधे अधूरे मन से जैसे इन लोगों ने देश की सुरक्षा की परवाह नहीं की, वैसे ही व्यवहार अमेठी के लोगों के साथ भी किया गया। Friends, like leap years and football World Cups come once in a 4 years. Incomplete loan waivers of the Congress come just before an election, and that is also in a 10 years. कांग्रेस हो, सपा हो, बसपा हो, 10 साल में एक बार उनको किसान याद आता है, 10 साल में एक बार, और वो भी चुनाव के पहले याद आता है।